Can I like try the dough?
Yes. It should be nutty and chocolatey.
I mean, it tastes like a normal cookie.
Yeah.
In a good way.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Lauren Bush-Lauren. I'm the founder of Feed.
Hi, I'm Lani Halliday. I own Brutus Bake Shop and Dominga in Brooklyn, New York. You said you're not a great baker?
Not a great baker.
But I brought you the world's best dough for the world's worst baker. Not that you're the
Awesome.
world's worst baker.
I could be.
But this dough is really user-friendly.
Okay.
It's great for busy people who want to spread some love with some holiday cookies. And it's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's soy-free, so lots of
Yummy.
coverage on all of our friends and family who can't have certain things. So we're just gonna roll it out.
Cool.
And then we're gonna cut shapes. You just wanna press it straight down, and it can be a little tricky because of the inclusions, the chocolate chips and the nuts. But I just gave it like a little wiggle.
Okay.
But yeah, go for it. You
Okay.
can cut those all out. And then we'll bake them and we'll decorate. Now is the creative time. This is like the super, super fun time. This doesn't have to be perfect. It's really like up to you and like what your kind of creative vision is
I
with
always
it.
feel like the more icing, the better.
Okay, I like this. Okay.
As a rule of
This
thumb.
is good. Go for it. Look at how nice these
They're
look.
beautiful. I'm proud.
All we need to do at this point is
Eat them.
The royal icing needs to harden,
Oh, fine.
and then we
Okay.
can eat them. And
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
we can package them.
Amazing. How do you package them?
Well, you put them in a nice bag.
Oh,
maybe.
oh, that's my cue. It's so funny you ask.
I would put them, you know, in little glassine bags or a box, and
Yes.
then put them in something really beautiful like this.
Dun,
and
dun,
the thing about
dun.
it is, you feed people.
You're
do.
very kind.
You do.
Well, we're super thrilled and excited to partner with InStyle to create the exclusive Feed 10 bag. Each bag sold, most importantly, gives 10 school meals to
Wow.
kids living in the poorest countries around the world, but
Wow.
also here in the US.
Fantastic.
And for me, it costs so little to do so much.
Yeah.
Most importantly, every product has a number on it, and that number signifies the amount of meals we're able to donate.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah,
That I did not know.
The goodness of people and consumers that want to give back through their purchases, it's awesome. It gives me a lot of hope.
Yeah, and that's what we need, especially
Yeah.
at the holidays.
Right?
So,
Cookies and hope.
good on you.
In bags.
Okay.
Can I taste
The
it?
cookies.
Ooh,
I
which
want this
one? Oh my gosh. They're like chewy but thin, which is not easy to do.
They're so good.
They're really good. Oh my god, this is heaven.